Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a rice hair mask at home. This natural treatment offers fantastic benefits for your hair. It strengthens strands, reducing breakage, and promotes healthy growth for a fuller look. Plus, it adds a beautiful natural shine and can even soothe an irritated scalp. Get ready to transform your hair with this simple, effective, and affordable remedy. Making your own rice hair mask starts with just a few simple items. You'll need about 1/2 cup of uncooked rice, which you should rinse thoroughly to remove any impurities. Then, have 1 cup of filtered water ready. For an extra touch, consider adding a few drops of your favorite essential oil, like lavender, for a pleasant fragrance. Now, let's make the mask. First, soak your rinsed rice in 1 cup of water for at least 30 minutes. After soaking, strain the rice, collecting the milky water in a separate container. For enhanced benefits, you can let this rice water ferment for 24 hours at room temperature. Finally, stir in any essential oils you've chosen. Applying your rice hair mask is easy. After shampooing, apply the rice water mixture to clean, damp hair, focusing on the roots and working your way to the ends. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Then, rinse your hair thoroughly with cool water until all residue is gone. For best results, use this treatment 1 to 2 times weekly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.